Hey there, future affiliate marketing pros. Today we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how people make money online, this is the video you've been waiting for. We'll break down what affiliate marketing is and, most importantly, how it works. So, grab a notepad, because this information is pure gold. First, let's define affiliate marketing in simple terms. Imagine you're a digital matchmaker. You introduce people to products or services they love, and when they make a purchase, you earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now, let's unravel the magic behind affiliate marketing and how it works. Step 1, choosing your niche. Think about your interests and passions. It could be anything from tech gadgets to fitness gear or even cooking utensils. Picking a niche you're passionate about makes the whole process more enjoyable. Step 2, finding affiliate programs. There are countless companies out there willing to pay you for promoting their products. Some of the most popular affiliate programs are from Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Research and find the ones that suit your niche. Step 3, signing up as an affiliate. Once you've found a program, sign up. It's usually free, and you'll get a unique tracking link. This link is your secret sauce, as it helps the company track sales generated through your promotions. Step 4, promoting products. Now, the fun part. Create engaging content around the products you've chosen. It could be YouTube videos, blog posts, social media posts, or even podcasts. Share your honest opinions and highlight the benefits. Step 5, building trust. Trust is the currency of affiliate marketing. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. This builds trust and credibility. Step 6, analyzing and scaling. Keep an eye on your performance. Most affiliate programs offer analytics to help you track your progress. As you gain experience, you can scale up your efforts by promoting more products or exploring new niches. So, there you have it, folks. Affiliate marketing is your gateway to earning money online while doing what you love. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and dedication. But with the right strategy and commitment, you can turn your passion into profits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.